Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing, I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. It started a downtrend from here, got to the support zone, went back up. You can see that. Okay, so right from here it started another downtrend. You can see the trend signal and the sell signal, so it started selling again. It has gotten, it's approaching the support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back up again, but if it breaks out below it, then it will come down here. Okay, however, this is still selling at the moment, so you should watch out for that. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend for long. It had made an attempt to go back on downtrend, but was unable to go for long before pulling back again. This time around it is making another attempt to go back on downtrend, so it is on downtrend at the moment. But once it breaks out below this particular support zone, this particular one, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Started a downtrend, got to this region, they pull back, and of course went back again to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, this particular one, and of course it's still trying to sell more, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 was on downtrend but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started a buy trend, so it is buying at the moment. However, we have a resistance zone here. If it breaks out above it, then it should buy more. Okay, so you should watch out for that. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than the selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. V75 started a downtrend from here, so till it got to the support zone, and it started a buy trend right from there, so it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. If you are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, learn my trading skill, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God